I got it emptied. I gotta say, very extra super duper extra special thank you to Mr. Paul. One scrapping pallet man. He's I reached out to him because I don't have a lot of friends, but I don't know. I'm at a loss for this whole YouTube thing, and I think he's pulling what strings he has to pull and seeing if there's anything he can do to give me a hand or point me in the right direction, which is usually forward, never straight, but seems I spend a lot of my time going backwards, like unloading all this stuff just to turn around and put it right back on the wagon. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to do that today. It's Thursday. We'll be out. We'll just add to it. Is that a bunt pan? It would appear that it has never been used. Although I don't do a lot of bunting. I'm a heavy hitter. Bada bang. Anyway. I'm still trying, man. I got a couple of those things. And a little pewter pot that I put inside my knuckle. There's some Inconel, the heating element out of that dryer. I guess we might rip into this stove and take what little bit of wires in there out. Trimmer doesn't seem to do anything. It's parts piece, most likely. This stuff here, I'm not really in the market for buying patio furniture, but this would be my PSA. If you are in the market for buying yourself some patio furniture, don't go for this plastic wicker stuff, because it gets to where it's so brittle from the weather that it's nothing. I think it's the UV and the freeze thaw and all that, but you don't want to go through your patio chairs. Then try to avoid this plastic. You're probably better off with real wicker than you are this stuff here. I'm just saying. I don't know a lot about anything, but I know that. No, I do know this. I got a dog cage, subwoofer, a couple of decent patio chairs, and a mower. Let's choke the life out of it. Seems to run just fine, although I think I might have busted this little dude off here because it should have more tension on there than it does. It wants to fly open when you got the bagger on, so I don't know, but it works, I guess. Let's see if somebody will come steal it, but now we get to watch them take it. Anyway, you guys are the best. I'm telling you, this helicopter's been following me around all morning, Sharon. Wasn't that her name? Sharon? I can't remember. Anyway. Alright, so look here. The way I see it, I guess I'm just stuck waiting a week until I can try to perform more mechanics on this here platform. And, see if we can't turn the money-making machine back on. But until then, I mean, just because I can't monetize the videos doesn't mean I'm not going to make videos. You guys have always been there for me, and I know you guys are here to watch videos, so let's go make a video. Hey, alright, look, so I'm hoping and praying that this whole little green money symbol thing, I'm able to correct it in the 7 days. Like, I keep reading this thing, it says 7 days. 7 days. Wait 7 days. So I'm just going to wait 7 days. But that doesn't mean I'm going to sit here for 7 days and not make any videos. Because you guys have always been there for me. And I know you guys are here to watch videos. So let's go out here and make you a video. You guys still want to go scrapping? I do apologize if I'm a little off today. I haven't had any sleep. And I just a little frustrated and kind of got, but one thing, it's kind of weird when, like, you know, a large portion, half of your livelihood, like, you know, I mean, it's all, I guess it hangs in the balance at the moment. I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go scrapping. What's that? It's a grill. No tank. It's a start. Sound like Miley Cyrus again. I could buy myself flowers. I could pick up your grill. I could write my name in the snow. Anyway, hey, we found something. Does that put us on the board? I don't know what the board is, but as long as we ain't nailed to it. What's that? Let's get it. I'm about to just start keeping all those microwave plates and just use them as gosh darn dinner plates. That way I actually have a matching set. You know, they'll all be the microwave edition. Right now, all my plates are currently like, I picked this one up here, I found 6 of these in a locker there, and I got one that looks like it's from Christmas, and one that might not even be a dinner plate. I don't know. Anyway, I mean, it's a thing. You could do that, right? You could eat off a microwave plate. Them are some pretty sturdy little guys, you know. About like myself. What's that? I don't know, but it looks like it's stainless. I like stainless. Oh, that don't weigh nothing. That's a bummer. Might not be stainless then. If it is, it's mighty thin. It's also mighty greasy. Anyway, scoops. I guess we might as well, you know. Like a glove. Like a glove wearing a spongy. Let's put a spongy on it. Maybe we were better off back over here. Like that. Put a little stretch on it. There ain't nothing wrong with stretching it out every now and then, let me tell you. God bless the little plumber, man. He's putting it out this week. Lose a finger. This is a shorty. Might be kind of awkward. Sweet spot. Scoops. I'm still wore out. We were just right there. What's that? I don't see no bikes. You guys see any bikes? I don't know what's up with that plumber guy. It's like some weeks he don't put anything out and you see him, you know, 3, 4, 5, 8 water tanks in his driveway. and then some weeks he puts some out. But it seems that we come upon them like when we really need them, you know? It's cool. I like it. He's a good guy. Never actually seen him. But he's got nice scoops. 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 Something. Cul-de-sac jack. Oops, all drive time. But no, seriously guys, I'm begging, please. I'm not saying like spend the next 7 days watching old Mr. Scavenging. You don't have to watch all 700 episodes. That's not what I'm saying. But what I am asking is, if I put out a new video that night, could you go back and watch an old one? I don't care if it's like a short one or just let one play in the background or something, but find one that does have the ads on it and let that one roll. That way we're not just, and not that we're doing this in vain. I mean, there's whey in the wagon, you know what I'm saying? Mary had a little wagon and she filled it full of whey. Anyway, that's not the lady. Who's her? Little Miss Muffet. That's the lady that had all the whey, right? Little Mr. Muffet. Was there a Mr. Muffet? There had to be a Mr. Muffet somewhere, right? How would there be a Little Miss Muffet without a Mr. Muffet? Anyway. Okay, but the point is, please. I mean, until I get this figured out, just if you see a new one come on, try to let an old one roll, if you would. Thank you. If not for me, for the littles. I guess we'll go ahead and signal, but it's not like you can go left. I don't know. You don't see too many stop signs in a cul-de-sac like that. On a corner, I guess it ain't really a cul-de-sac, it's a corner, I don't know. Hi, my name's Mike, I'm a moron. It's another beautiful day out here. I hope it is, was, has been, and will be where you're at, and you get the chance to enjoy some of it. Also included in today's video will be some new Roku security camera highlights. Use them if you got them, I guess. Come on, somebody give us a lawnmower. Hello. I mean, if you don't go, you don't know, right? But these really long dead ends like this, when you don't find a scoopy scoop of nothing, kind of a bummer. Trees are getting green, aren't they? I was informed by Miss Amy that the neighbor lady, the wife of neighbor dude, you know, old timer. I usually turn right here, but watch this dude. He's not even going to stop, is he? Let's not run over no little people on scooters. We'll just use the second exit. Anyway, neighbor dude, his wife, neighbor lady. Anyway, she was admiring the little children's slide we had set out the other day. Unfortunately, I tried to tell Amy to tell them, or her, or they, anyway, to tell her that, like, once if you see it out front, that means somebody's coming to, or somebody's supposed to be coming to get it. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Sometimes they come, sometimes they don't. Right, ladies? Anyway, they show up, you know what I'm saying? But the point is, I guess if we catch another one of them little kiddie slides out that's in, you know, the condition of picking up condition, we'll pick it up for them. Or her. Them, I guess. Most likely they're grandchildren. I don't really think she wants to play on it. Although she might, I don't know. Maybe with the old man gone, she's all like, I'm going to get me a play set and just have a blast. I have no idea. Oops, all stop signs. There was some stuff, but it was sitting up in their front yard. There's another toilet. That's like the 5th toilet I've seen today. What are we at? 7 minutes of drive time. I guess we'll fluff it up for about 10. Just in case. Little extra seasoning for the video. I was looking left. Did you look right? I'm just kidding. I was looking both ways. Not at the same time, but that'd be weird, wouldn't it? Oh my God, Mr. Scrappity, how are you doing that? Like an owl. Even an owl can't look both ways at the same time, can he? Can they? Can it? What kind of a pronoun does an owl have? A hooter? Show me some hooters and I'll be looking all over the place. Anyway, something like that. If you know, you know. Like, I like hooters, you know? Did you know that? Anyway, owls. I'm fond of them. They're pretty. You ever seen one? I've seen a couple in real life. I've only seen an eagle once. I've seen several owls. Not too many hooters, though. Bada bing. This is why you like drive time? I get it. He's all like, hey, look at that, she's hitchhiking. Anyway, I guess I'll keep riding around here, see if I can find something to scrap up or some hitchhikers or something. Look, it's another one. This is gonna look great in front of the house. I'm just kidding. I'm taking this straight to Lambertville. No, Columbus. No, Lambertville. What do you guys think? Is that more Columbus or Lambertville? It's got that look. Get through there. Scoops. Scoops. Scoop. I was waiting on traffic. Hammock stand. They're pretty heavy. All right, lay it on me. Somebody told me, that's a real antique railroad lantern, Mr. Scrappy. And that's why you don't block a driveway. What are the chances they were coming home right when I'm going through their garbage? How you doing? I think a lot of people must have them camera things, and as soon as they see somebody trying to scoop their scoops, they're all like, oh, it's time to rush home. Let me go try to get in the driveway. I don't know. Is that how it works? What's that? How you doing? Doing all right?
That didn't take long.
Yeah, it won't sit long nowadays.
Just drug them out.
Yeah. Y'all have a good day. Scoops. What's that? Is that a tail on something? Fish filters. Honestly, I have enough of them. I just need the tail. Something. Fill up that tail bucket again. What's that? Fucking run me over. People come flying through here. That's why I'm pulled so far away. There's some guy riding my tailbone. So let's just do this. There's nobody behind us. That shortened it up a little bit. Don't know. A little bit of metal. Close. Well, that one's more closed probably. Yep, okay. Yeah, a little bit. We got traffic. Come on, traffic.
Are you just looking for metal?
Yeah, metal stuff.
Okay. I got pieces of counter that I was going to put out.
I appreciate it though.
All right.
Have a good day. She smelled good. I'm so easy. That'll work for now. Once we put a spongy on it. Did you think I wasn't going to put a spongy on it? That'll work. I think. I hope. Get out of these gloves. Alright, we got something else. What is that? Part of a washing machine? I could if I wanted to rearrange all them chairs, but there was part of a washing machine back there. Anyway. But anyway, I think that means that guy's weed whacking. I'm not going to pick it up. I don't have a snap tool, so I had to pull over here and spend about 10 minutes rearranging all that shit. And we go back and we get that washing machine. I'm feeling hungry. You didn't think I was gonna go back and get it, did you?
No, not yet.
Sha. And we're back. I got a notification or an alert or whatever you call it. Hold on. Larry's fighting with me. That there was a wagon in my driveway full of scoops. Anyway, I don't know. That's what we get. That's what we got. Stoppers, quit. Oh, Daddy's home. Daddy is home. Daddy is home. Yes. Ow, 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 ow. Oh! Tell him how happy you are. Tell him how happy you are. You got your toys. What?
I was looking out the window and I saw someone steal.
Did you? Anyway, starting to look like the compound around here, ain't it? I have to clear some of this out here soon. Anyway, I don't know. What is this thing? Oh, I grabbed the paper that was in the box. I thought the paper might have went to it. Well, that's for a VCR. Oh. No, that's not the same thing, is it? Video cassette recorder. Portable video cassette. This is a portable VCR. What? Programmable tuner timer. Channel. What? Wow, look at that. That's back when you used to take this over to Grandma so she could record Murder, She Wrote. You don't want to miss Matlock, man, I'm telling you. Anyway. Did you have fun? Oh, I had fun until I came home and got all my bones ate. See, it's eating my bones. I offer it bones. Ow, that's my pinky. Your teeth are like bones. Here, Daddy offer his arm. Stop chewing on me. I love you too. You monster. You big monster. Who's a big monster? Who's a big monster? Who's a dirty big monster? Anyway. Ow! Stop now. Hey, sit. 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 Stuffy, sit. Stuffers. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Sit. That's my girl. Give me paws. Yes, that's my girl. That's Daddy's baby. Ow! Ow! Come on now, stop, stop. Hey, stop, please. 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 I'm gonna leave again. Ow, ow. I'm leaving, that's it. I'm gonna get in my truck and leave again. Hey, you be nice. Anyway, okay. You guys are the best.
little slow tonight, isn't it?